Hi, my name is Annette Thompson, and I live in the small town of Fort Fairfield in far northern Maine. The picture you see behind me is the elementary school where I've worked as a quote-unquote librarian for the past 16 years, and that really is what this area of the world looks like at this time of year. I enjoy hiking, canoeing, walking, my daughter's dog, Ruger, who's a puppy, and of course most of those things I enjoy in the summer. I love reading. Fantasy and murder mysteries are my favorite. I recently finished reading the entire Witcher series and have binge watched the first 2 seasons. I recently graduated from the University of Maine at Augusta with a degree in Information Library Science, and I hope to become district librarian of the district where I work, MSAD number 20, in the future. Also, my concentration for this degree is academic librarianship, so someday that is a field that I might be interested in. There's a community college and a university close to where I work, and I think those would be great places to further my career as I get a little bit older.